Hello guys, and what's going on everybody, and welcome back to another video. And today I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Huawei P30 Lite, the budget friendly model among the P30 series. So sit back and relax, and here I present you the complete commentary free unboxing of the phone. So that's pretty much it with the unboxing, but there's a point to be noted. The adapter as well as the charging wire that comes within the box supports fast charging, so make sure you use those to charge up your P30 Lite. Secondly, the phone comes with a clear case as well as a screen protector applied from factory, which is again an excellent feature. Now let's head over to the review. The Huawei P30 Lite is a mid-range budget-friendly model with extremely attractive looks because of the gradient pack and teardrop notch on the top of 6.2-inch edge-to-edge screen, providing an 84% of screen-to-body ratio. This phone comes equipped with a high silicon Kirin 710. It's not the most powerful chipset in the world for mobile phones, but gets the job done. However, if you're planning to use this to play demanding games like PUBG, or upcoming Call of Duty Mobile, or any other heavy duty game, or you will have to lower the resolution and the frame rate. But if you demand high settings and high frame rates, I would recommend you the flagship P30. P30 Lite comes with a 4GB RAM and 128GB storage, all backed up with a 3300 mAh battery. Now let's head over to the camera system of this phone. On rear, you can see this phone has 3 cameras. The main camera is a 24 megapixel with constant aperture of f1.8. The second camera is 8 megapixel with constant aperture of f1.2. This is basically an ultra wide camera, and it practically is useful when you want to fit in more stuff into the frame, and this is the difference it makes. Now let's come to the third and the last camera. This is the 2 megapixel shooter, and it is only used to detect the depth. You can't use this camera at all, only the phone senses it and uses it. Now talking about video recording capabilities of the phone, it is capable of recording 1080p or full HD video footage. That's pretty much it for the rear. Now in the front we have a whopping 32 megapixel camera placed in a teardrop notch. That's pretty much it for the phone. Looking at the charging speed, the performance, battery life, I could easily say that this is the best budget phone out there. That's pretty much it for the video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. And this is Mohammed Bilal signing out.
I'm in love with the cocoa.